Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. My name is Damien and today I'd like to show you how you can distribute print configurations to other print queues. So in the former video we talked about how we can create driver configurations. I'll link this up on the top right for you so you can hop straight into it, so feel free to view that as well. For this one we're going to focus on just distributing a profile that I have made already. So what this means is if I have created a print driver configuration like such, and I have several devices or several print queues that are pointing at the same type of hardware, I don't need to do this for every single printer or print queue. I can simply make this once on one computer exemplarically with one printer. I can then distribute that configuration to the other printer queues. And how this is done is very simple. We'll navigate over to the print queue where we have made that configuration already, and we'll hit distribute print queue configuration. So this will open the list of available print queues to me, and now I happen to know that this is also these two printer queues that I in fact inherited from a print server formerly are pointing at the same piece of hardware. So it's the same printer essentially. This could also be a different printer but of the same model and manufacturer and the same level of optional accessories. So if those requirements are fulfilled, what I can do is I can say, yep, I want to do the accessories and duplex, in this case, accessories and duplex profile on these two printer queues as well. So when I say distribute and I go back to my print queue overview and take a look at, for instance, this one that I just distributed that setting to and go to the drivers, we can see it is now also set on that printer queue. So I hope you found this helpful, and as usual, just that little hint at the end, we always have content-based help by clicking on the question mark. So this will give you the link straight into our online manual according with what you see on the screen right now. Thank you very much and see you next time.